Logging produces long, smooth logs, which are then used to make construction materials, furniture, and a wide range of other products. But what happens to the tops of the trees that are cut from the logs? The answer to this question is provided by the next machine on our list. It is a mobile unit with a chipper capable of converting treetops into wood chips. The advantage of the machine is that it's not tied to one place, but can be moved. This in turn allows the tree to be disposed of at once without leaving residue after felling. The resulting chips are used in industrial production as well as in construction and landscaping. The Faymonville FloatMAX. Glass can often be an oversized material that needs to be transported with great care. Therefore, the Luxembourg company Faymonville developed FloatMAX, a special semi-trailer just for this purpose. One of two locking systems can be installed inside, a vertical hydraulic system or the patented hydraulic mechanic Faymonville Mecha push system. Either way, the heavy sheet glass is securely locked in place for the entire trip, and the multi-purpose semi-trailer itself is highly stable. Optionally, the vehicle could be fitted with a sliding roof or a bracket on the platform for easier loading and unloading. Big Pete Monster Truck. Even a small team can build a real monster on wheels. The best example is Big Pete, a team of experts who've been delighting the public with their creations at the traditional Monster Jam events in the United States for several years. The most memorable model was given the eponymous name of Big Pete. The original aluminium cab was taken from a legendary Peterbilt 359 semi-truck. The experts chose a 7.4-litre Chevrolet V8 engine. The vehicle was equipped with General Motors TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. To support the increased loads, the experts borrowed the chassis from a 50-ton Pettibone truck crane. Of course, such a special vehicle needed special tyres, the Michelin Mega X. As you can see, the size of the monster truck is incredible. It's 18 feet long, 13 feet wide, 15 feet tall, and weighs approximately 7.5 tons. The first feature that catches your eye when you look at this dump truck is its upper part, which rotates independently from the undercarriage. However, apart from that, this Italian-made truck has many other interesting features. Engineers have equipped it with an impressive set of features, so the vehicle can work longer. The cabin provides excellent visibility, which increases safety not only for the operator, but also for everyone on the construction site. The dump truck has a maximum payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, and as you can see, it can work even in adverse conditions. In this case, the equipment helps increase the height of the Lake Michigan shore while moving boulders weighing from 2 to 8 tons across difficult terrain. For farm animals to be healthy, they need a balanced diet and multi-component nutrition. The different ingredients such as barley, oats, and corn are stored separately in silos and mixed with special mixers. However, mixers are gradually being replaced by more versatile and multifunctional machines. In addition to mixing forage, this mixer can move around the farm and fill the feed bunkers. This machine does the work of 3 pieces of equipment, so the owner spends less money on maintenance. In addition, this particular model features a large hopper capacity. With 1,190 cubic feet, it can cope with more work. Tanks offer incredibly high cross-country performance. However, they cannot travel safely on public roads. Therefore, to transport tanks and other similar equipment over long distances, vehicles like these are used. This truck can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour and travel up to 500 miles. Its maximum payload, meanwhile, can reach 220,000 pounds. Truck for rooftop delivery. Large quantities of construction and finishing material have to be transported to great heights for roofing work. The engineers of the American company Arrowhead came up with the idea to use specially equipped trucks to simplify and speed up the process. The platform, designed for cargo transportation, is additionally equipped with a conveyor belt with a lifting mechanism. Its design is simple and efficient, so only 2 people can handle the unloading. The first person puts the load on the steps mounted on the conveyor belt. When the step rises to the height of the roof, the second worker simply picks up the load. Remarkably, the conveyor can reach heights of up to 61 feet. This means that even 5-story buildings can be accessed in this way. Natural and road-generated dust, as well as vegetation, gradually raise the height of roadway shoulders, so they should be treated every 5 to 10 years. In Germany, in the town of Ahaus, curb maintenance is handled by specialized equipment like this, based on a municipal multi-purpose machine. The key role in the work is played by the attached equipment. It picks up the topsoil, loosens it, mixes it, and then puts it back on the roadside and compacts it. Amazingly, it does all this in one pass, and it also cleans the road. It's easy to guess that the speed of the machine, because of the large amount of work performed, is not that high. So its small width becomes an advantage, because the machine almost doesn't interfere with the road traffic. Allroads Rockwheeler side tippers. The American company Allroads offers an unusual solution for the delivery of bulk goods. In the few years since its presentation, this 3-axle side dump truck has managed to prove itself well and earn the loyalty of its customers. It's built of 0.19-inch wear-resistant heavy-duty steel. This makes it able to withstand high-weight loads, even on rough roads. The capacity per cargo container is 236 square feet. This might not seem like much at first glance, but the manufacturer offers to combine up to 3 containers behind one hauler to carry more material at a time. Finally, each container is mounted on a high-strength frame, so the unloading can be performed even under maximum load. This is a system designed to recharge hybrid and electric trucks on the go. From the outside, it looks a bit like a streetcar, and there are indeed some similarities. In order for a truck to use this system, it has to be equipped with special folding current collectors. As soon as the vehicle enters this section of the highway, it connects to the system and can even turn off its diesel engine completely for some time. There is no speed limit either. The vehicles can travel at up to 56 miles per hour. Every 2,500 miles of road equipped with this system reduces carbon dioxide emissions by 7 million tons per year. So far, however, this innovative system works mainly in Germany.